pretty excited. Look at him. A little whisker, you know what I'm saying? A little whisker. Hey, Ozzie's really the most dripped out person out here, yo. Saying. Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to another video with the one and only Cartier, man. Got a new video for you guys today. It's the morning. It is 83 degrees. It is Sunday, day 7 of consistency. So, about to drive, about to go get some morning coffee, or good afternoon, I want to say. As we start this video, brought Oswald, little Ozzie man. So he's excited. We're about to take a little drive on the back ways. I'm about to go get some Starbucks. Today is game day, game 7. Cavs in Detroit. Hopefully Cavs can come clutch. Day 7, we don't know how this video is gonna go, and it's probably gonna go pretty well. Hey, if you guys are new watching this video, as I say once again, you understand me? We are on day 7 with the ONLINEEEEE. If you're new, make sure you guys subscribe. It takes a couple seconds to do. And if you want to get me to 3K, we can hit it fast. Another Camry driver. You good, Ozzie? I know. It's actually a great day outside today. Boys, I don't know yet. The plan is probably go downtown to watch the game. I'm trying to get some content downtown, so if not, it's okay. You understand me? Gotta get that AC bumping. You going slow. we got today? Cavs or Detroit? Oh, Camry, you know? I've never been there. You want to say anything to the mic? No chat. Okay. Hey, gang, he's saying he don't mess with y'all. We gotta stop spamming the Starbucks. I was thinking about probably getting some food and actually making food now. It's getting to that time. Trying to get a studio apartment. Yo, chat. Sorry, I just woke up. Crazy day last night. Crazy side missions. Probably get a mocha cookie crumble, venti water. Probably get a pup cup for little Oz, man. Little OZZIE. And then, do we need a grilled cheese, chat? Let me see about my rewards. See what I have. Yeah, I'm thinking about using honored stars on. Actually, is it worth? Nah, I'll just wait till we hit the 200 stars. Yo, chat, to save time, I'm gonna go in here and order it, actually. Yo guys, look at this car right here. Alright, yo chat, give me a minute, I'll be right back. Yo chat, me and OZZIE gotta go in Dick's real quick, but before we head out, I'm gonna go drive over there and got him a little pup cup. Got water, got the same thing as yesterday pretty much. So we got a grilled cheese. So yeah, hey, if you guys enjoyed this little POV drive, we're gonna definitely get another one out. Hopefully if we do go downtown, that'll be great. But if we don't, it's cool. But I'm gonna probably get another good video out. This, I woke up late. I was gonna do a early morning POV drive, but I just didn't wake up in enough time, which is fine. Hold up, OZZIE. I know, you can have some more in a minute. Let me just get situated real quick. Actually, this can work both ways. What up, OZZIE? But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, get this to, you know, it don't matter. Probably get this to 100K. Imagine we hit 100K on this. It's nice and hot, so. Today will be a good day. Cavs will win. Spurs gonna win on Monday. You know, things just looking great, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, buddy. All right, me and Oz, we about to head out. I'm gonna see y'all very soon. Make sure y'all do subscribe at theOnlycarter. And I'm gonna catch you in the next video, man. OZZIE, you wanna say anything? I know. We out, chat.